garage here. Taylor, where are we going?
Well, it's not Taylor today, it's Dad.
Whoa, you're not Taylor. Dad, where are we going?
We found a truck in Oakley, Kansas. So, quick afternoon trip, yeah. It's a quick.
Sorry, that might be dirty.
About a 6-hour round trip. So, Oakley, Kansas to go out and get a little F100 stepside Ford. So,
yeah, 64 F100.
1864.
Single cab, short bed, stepside, 2-wheel drive. So, I found it on Craigslist 4 hours ago when I was at work.
We've been looking for an old farm truck.
He's been looking for an old farm truck of some sort. So this one looks pretty good. So it's a we're still dirty there. Got a great patina on it. It's got some rust, but it's overall pretty clean. And yeah, we're heading to pick it up. So
1 o'clock in the afternoon, heading to Kansas. We're gonna switch time zones. A 6-hour round trip. We'll get her done.
Making it happen. So we'll, I guess we'll see you there. Colorful Colorado.
Hello, Kansas. We're getting there.
Hello, Kansas. All right.
70 more miles to go.
That's it, huh? 70 miles?
That's it.
Oh, well, we got to stretch.
We'll keep at it.
Yeah. Well, there we are, guys. 64 F100. Straight 6, 4-speed. Custom cab. Good looking truck. A little rough in some places, but overall very straight. A few dents and dings, you know. Wood bed, of course, as they all are. This side's a little dark in the shadow, but a little bit of rust. And dent on this side, that's about the worst of it. Hood's got a bit of a dent in it, and there's a kink in this side. But other than that, let's get her loaded up. And we're loaded up. I got a car to check out. I always got a Torino as well, 71. Looks pretty cool. Let's take a look. See it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, kind of dark out here. We made it. Oh man, it's really dark out here. You probably can't see anything. See him turn around in the field. Oh, we're home. We made it. Get this thing turned around out here in the field, and not sure if we're gonna leave it on the trailer or try to unload it, but I believe that's gonna be it for this episode. Well, you'll probably see more of this truck coming up. I'll get some videos of doing some things on it, but I believe that finishes us up. So we'll catch you next time. Stay tuned.